Imamzadeh Ebrahim Shrine. The Imamzadeh Ebrahim Shrine in Gilan, Iran is a peaceful place surrounded by green forests, beautiful waterfalls and mountain views. It's a great spot to enjoy Gilan's natural beauty and calm scenery. Shant. Shant in Gilan, Iran is a charming town known for its lush nature, rice fields and friendly local markets. It's a perfect spot to experience Gilan's rural beauty and enjoy authentic village life. Loslak. Loslak is a pretty village in Shant, Gilan, Iran, with green hills and quiet forests. It's a perfect place for nature lovers to enjoy fresh air, beautiful views, and see simple village life. Cyclone. Cyclone in Shant, Gilan, Iran is a hidden gem with stunning natural beauty, with peaceful green hills and fresh mountain air. It's a lovely spot for relaxing and enjoying nature. Rural Heritage Museum. The Rural Heritage Museum in Gilan, Iran shows what village life was like, with real old homes, crafts, and farm scenes. Located in Serene Forest Park, it's a great place to see Gilan's culture and nature up close.